Hello guys, welcome back to lecture series of environmental engineering. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases is nothing but the disease which is spreaded from water or which caused due to water in human beings or which will spread among human beings because of water. Okay, now so such diseases will be considered as waterborne diseases. You can see here, waterborne diseases are diseases which spread primarily through water. It means primarily through the contaminated water. Those diseases will be considered as the waterborne diseases. Okay, now it means like when human beings consume contaminated water or polluted water, or human beings consumed water which contains some harmful substances or harmful microorganism present in water, that water will cause some diseases to human beings. Okay, now so those diseases will be considered as the waterborne diseases. Okay, now so in this session I'm going to discuss about some major and important waterborne diseases. Okay, now so basically the waterborne diseases will be caused due to these three important factors. First one is the presence of microorganism, presence of inorganic matter, and presence of organic matter in water. Okay, now so if microorganism present in water, the microorganism may cause some diseases to human being. Okay, now so like microorganism means like the bacteria, virus, protozoa, these things. It means such organisms will be considered as a microorganism. They cause some diseases if they present in water. And inorganic matter is nothing but the matter or the substance which is not organic, that is called as the inorganic. Okay, now so like fluorides, nitrates, and sulfates, chlorides, all these things. Okay, now so these are all not organic matter. It means they are not consumed by, or they are not eatable. Okay, now so it means those substances cannot undergo any decomposition by microorganism. Okay, now so those substances will be considered as or those substances will be called as inorganic matter. If such harmful inorganic matter present in water, those water can cause some diseases to human being. Okay, now and organic matter is nothing but the matter or the substance which can undergo some decomposition. Such matter or such substances will be considered as organic matter. Okay, now so because of presence of microorganism in water can cause some diseases, and also the presence of inorganic matter in water can cause some diseases, and the presence of organic matter present in water can cause some diseases. All these diseases, if caused due to the consumption of water, okay, now so then they will be called as the waterborne diseases. Okay, now you can see some important waterborne diseases caused due to the presence of microorganism in water. Okay, now so first you see the diseases caused by the bacterial infections. Okay, now so these are the most important and most common diseases which are caused due to the bacterial infections. It means like the water which consumed, if it contains bacteria, okay, now so the people will affected or will be caused by these diseases. Okay, now you can see typhoid fever and paratyphoid fever. This is the most important disease. It means most common disease which is caused because of salmonella typhi bacteria. This is a type of bacteria. Okay, now so here important the name of the disease and the disease caused by which organism. Okay, now so these two things you have to remember. Okay, now so here I am mentioning only three diseases. These are the most commonly caused diseases because of bacterial infection. Okay, now so first one is the typhoid fever and paratyphoid fever. It is caused by salmonella typhi bacteria. And next one is the cholera disease. It is caused by vibrio cholera bacteria. And next one is the bacillary dysentery. This is the disease which caused by Siga bacillus or Flexner bacillus or Sone bacillus. Okay, so because of these three types of bacteria present in water, it will leads to dysentery. That dysentery will be called as bacillary dysentery. Okay, now so these are the most common and major bacterial infections. It means like these diseases will be caused because of bacterial infections. And diseases caused by viral infections, hepatitis or jaundice. Okay, now so this is caused by hepatitis virus, And polio, it means polio virus. Polio is the virus. Okay, so the disease caused by the polio virus is poliomyelitis. Okay, and next one is the protozoal infections. Because of protozoa present in water, dysentery will be caused. Okay, so and the type of protozoa which is responsible for this dysentery will be called as the entomoeba histolytic gem. Okay, so the dysentery caused due to this protozoa or this microorganism will be called as the amoebic dysentery. Okay, so these are the major bacterial, viral and protozoal infections. Okay, so these diseases will be considered as the waterborne diseases. Okay, it means like which are spreading through microorganism. And the next one is that the waterborne diseases caused due to the presence of inorganic matter. These are the most common and most popular diseases which are caused due to the presence of inorganic matters in water. Okay, so mostly these inorganic substances can enter into water from the ground or from the earth. Okay, so like if you take fluorides, it is a mineral or it is a substance which is present in what earth. Okay, so then always we know that always water is in contact with earth. Okay, either surface water or groundwater, whatever it may, it is always be in contact with earth or soil. Okay, so mostly the fluoride problem will occur in groundwater only, in case of groundwater only. Okay, so excess amount of chlorides present in water, it leads to a disease called as fluorosis. And excess amounts of sulfates present in water, it leads to a disease called diarrhea. And iodine. Okay, so the less amounts of iodine or iodide present in water causes a disease called as goiter. And excess amount of nitrates present in water caused a disease called as the blue baby syndrome. Okay, so the children or the infant who affected by the disease blue baby syndrome, they will be called as the blue babies. Okay, so excess of nitrates cause blue babies in infants. And excess amount of nitrates also cause this one methemoglobinemia. It means like when nitrates enter into human body through water, it immediately it will undergo some reaction with the hemoglobin present in our blood, and then it will produce a product called as the methemoglobinemia. Okay, so these are the most common and popular waterborne diseases caused because of inorganic materials present in water. And next one is that waterborne diseases caused due to organic matter. Because of organic matter, only the gastric problems or the digestion problems will be caused in water. It means will be caused in human beings. Okay, now so you can see here an excess of vegetable matter in water or the entrance of sewage effluents into bodies of water may lead to diarrhea and other gastric disturbances in human body. Okay, now so these are the most common and popular waterborne diseases. Okay, now so what we have seen in this session: waterborne diseases caused due to microorganism, waterborne diseases caused due to inorganic matter, and waterborne diseases caused due to organic matter. Okay, now so these are the most common and popular diseases what we have been discussed in this video. Okay, now so the waterborne diseases we can control. Okay, now like by it means by identifying the substances, it means harmful substances present in water, and then we have to eliminate those substances from water, or we have to maintain the concentrations of those substances within the permissible limits in water, and then we can supply that water to the public for consumption. Okay, so if the public consume the treated water, okay, so they, it means they cannot affect with such kind of diseases. Okay, so this is the only technique to control the waterborne diseases. Okay, so you can see here the complete control of waterborne diseases involves instituting an environmental health program that incorporates personal and household hygiene practices, control of fly species and other insects, scientific waste disposal, and water treatment to remove harmful constituents. Okay, guys, thank you. We will meet in another video.